you.
Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing well. So in this video, I'm going to be featuring the Ipsy December box. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, this is the Ipsy box, okay? This one, I already opened it. I'm not going to lie. And this one, it says Refreshments. I have not opened this one yet. So we're going to open this together, okay? So the theme for this month is Home for the Holidays. It looks like this. So pretty and colorful, you guys. So I'm gonna start off with the Ipsy Glam Bag. It looks like this, you guys. It's so pretty, y'all. I love this. Really pretty. This is an eyeliner from Wonder Beauty. It looks like this. And this is in jet black. This is a primer from Benefit. It looks like this. We have a face cleanser by Murad. I haven't tried any products from this brand before. Next, we have the Pulis I Adore Serum, and this is what it looks like. I haven't tried this one before. This I received is for the Ipsy Glam Bag. I'm gonna go over to the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. This is the Nomad Toscana eyeshadow palette. It looks like this. Palette for you guys. This is what it looks like. This is a beautiful nude eyeshadow palette. I love it. It's so pretty. Love the colors. I already opened it before I showed you guys, so I'm not surprised. It's pretty, okay? And this one is a product from Tula Skincare. This is a sugar scrub. I'm just gonna, okay, this is the pack. You guys, it looks like this. So pretty. Love it. Can't wait to use this. It's got sugar, papaya and pineapple, and probiotics. This is very interesting key ingredient it has for this product. Can't wait to try it. The next product I have here is by QMS Medi Cosmetics. Ace Vitamin Day and Night Cream. It looks like this. Beautiful. I love this. It's so pretty, you guys. The next product here is Ipsy deck of cards. Ooh. This is so cute. I love the idea of this card. So pretty. I love this. And then the next product I have here is 2020. It's an eye cream. It looks like this, okay? Ooh, the packaging is really pretty. It looks like this, you guys. Eye cream is packed full of powerful ingredients. The first one is phytoglycogen, peptides, niacinamide, and cucumber. That's interesting. The next product I have here is the Eat Superhero Mascara. This is what the packaging looks like. This is what the mascara looks like. I'm gonna open this up. Ooh, I'm gonna use this with you guys today. It looks like this. Next product I have here is actually a makeup brush from, it's called, I can't see the name, Bean. You guys, I can't really see the name of this brush, but it says Bean Catches. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but this is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It looks like this, you guys. So pretty. Last product here is it's a can. It says Happy Holidays from Ipsy Open Studios. This is a 200-piece puzzle.
You need me, but I want you, and you breathe me, just like I'm your oxygen. Yeah, it's so easy when it comes to you. Caught up in these exes. X's and these O's like whoa, 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 whoa. See, I ain't gotta hustle me to fire down 'cause I'm a rider. And you know this siren, move so independent. Get it, then I spend it.
Okay, you guys, so this is the finished look. I love how this eyeshadow palette turned out. It was so easy to blend. I love this. It's gonna suit all skin tone. Honestly, love this. If you haven't signed up with Ipsy, please go and sign up. You're gonna be getting a bunch of goodies if you sign up with them. I'm gonna leave Ipsy's details down in the description box below. And lest we forget, let's open up the second box. You know what? See it first before I see it, okay? What do you see? Let's see what we have. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. What a treat. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this bag is so pretty. Oh my gosh, do you guys see this beautiful drawstring bag? So pretty. Love the detail of this bag. The first one I see here is Refreshments cleansing face wipes. It looks like this. Ooh, I'm gonna be using this today because I have full makeup on. Okay. The next one we have here is Refreshments Lucia's hand cream. This is a beautiful product. Looks this. The star ingredients in this one is shea butter, grapeseed oil, and olive oil. Those are the three star ingredients in this product. And the last product we have here, Refreshments Velvety Body Cream. Looks like this. Oh my goodness, I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Love this. Moisture for a royal glow. Ooh, give that to me. Oh my god. Smells something like lemon, really nice and very moisturizing on the skin. Oh my goodness. Whoa, I love that. I'm gonna try the hand cream. They smell alike. Yeah, they smell alike. And very moisturizing on the skin. I don't know if you can tell, but I'd like to thank Ipsy for sending all these goodies my way. I'm so excited for everything, and I'm so thrilled that I was able to try out the eyeshadow palette with you while filming this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like content like this, please don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and don't forget to stay safe, stay beautiful, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.